As the level of complexity of our project increases, we want to have the necessary tools to organize our geometry and have the possibility to show or hide certain elements of our project. Dibac has a few tools for this purpose. One of them is the Deactivate function. This function is a simpler version of the layers option, and it's very straightforward to use. In this example, we have a simple floor plan with different elements such as lines, walls, windows, doors, wardrobes, hatches, dimensions, and texts. Every element that we insert in our viewport has an ID. With the Deactivate function, we can hide or show automatically all the elements with the same ID of the project, regardless the layer in which it is assigned to. To access this function, we have to go to Utilities and then Activate Deactivate. In this window, you'll see all the IDs that we can manage, and its only purpose is to hide or show all the elements with the same ID. So if I want to hide the linear dimensions and text of the drawing, I just have to uncheck those IDs, and when I click OK, all those elements will be hidden. We can use different combinations, of course, but with this tool, you will not be able to assign different elements to other IDs or manage which elements will be hidden or not with the same ID. To do this, you will have to use the layers function.